What's next for Cardano's ADA? That's the question on everybody's minds, especially given its recent performance. It's no secret that ADA has been underperforming, and for some, this has been a cause for concern. But let's delve a bit deeper into the numbers. ADA's recent price has been hovering around 45 cents. That might not seem like much, but when you consider that it reflects a 22% weekly decline and a 25% monthly decline, you begin to see the bigger picture. It's been a bit of a rough ride for ADA, and it's left some investors feeling a little uneasy. But it's not just the decline in price that's causing worry. There's also a heightened sense of fear surrounding ADA. Now, fear in the world of cryptocurrency is nothing new. It's a volatile market, and fluctuations in price are to be expected. But when fear levels rise, it usually signals that a coin is testing its major support zones, and ADA is no exception. Some analysts suggest that if ADA holds at its current levels, it could be at the bottom of a dip before making a move towards a higher price. In other words, we could be looking at the calm before the storm. A storm that could see ADA recover from its recent slump and rally towards a higher price. But this is all speculation, of course. The world of cryptocurrency is unpredictable, and what might seem like a sure thing one day could turn out to be a false dawn the next. That's why it's crucial to keep a close eye on the market and stay informed. With this current state, could we be on the brink of a significant ADA rally? Only time will tell. But one thing's for sure, the next few weeks and months will be fascinating to watch as ADA navigates these choppy waters. Analysts predict a potential rally for ADA. Let's delve into why. Historically, the data surrounding ADA paints a fascinating picture. Patterns suggest a possible surge towards $1, a significant leap from its current standing of around 45 cents. This potential upswing is not just a random guess, but based on an analysis of ADA's performance over time. These patterns often repeat themselves, and if ADA follows suit, we could witness a rally that takes it to the $1 mark. Now, you might be wondering, what does testing major support zones mean? Well, in the world of crypto trading, support zones are price levels at which a falling cryptocurrency is likely to slow down due to a concentration of demand. When fear levels surrounding a crypto asset are high, it's often an indication that these support zones are being tested. In ADA's case, high fear levels suggest a testing of these major support zones. The concept of ADA holding its current levels is another crucial factor to consider. The ability of a cryptocurrency to maintain its current price, despite market volatility, can be a solid indication of its strength. If ADA manages to hold around the 45 cents mark, it could be a sign that it's reached its bottom. And once a cryptocurrency hits its bottom, the only way is up, right? This could foreshadow a move towards the $1 mark, a significant potential gain for ADA holders. However, it's essential to remember that while these predictions are based on historical data and current market conditions, the world of cryptocurrency is inherently unpredictable. Market fluctuations, global events, and a myriad of other factors can influence ADA's performance. If these predictions hold true, ADA could be gearing up for a significant upswing. But what happens if ADA breaks the $1 mark? As we venture into the realms of speculation, it's essential to remember that the world of cryptocurrency is volatile and unpredictable. However, we can't help but get excited about the potential of Cardano's ADA, especially when we look at some of the predictions out there. One such prediction suggests that if ADA enters the 55 to 80 cents range, we could see it reach a price of $1.70. But how could this happen? Well, it all comes down to the momentum that this predicted range could trigger. When an asset like ADA enters a new price range, it attracts attention. Investors start to take notice. And as they do, they begin to buy. This buying can create a snowball effect. The more people buy, the higher the price goes. This is where momentum comes into play. Momentum is essentially the speed of price changes in a particular direction over time. In the world of investments, it's often the case that what goes up continues to go up, at least for a while. This is the basic principle of momentum investing, and it could very well apply to ADA. If ADA enters the 55 to 80 cents range, it could generate enough momentum to break through the $1 barrier. And once it breaks that barrier, who knows how far it could go? This is not just a wild guess. It's based on historical patterns and market trends. And while it's essential to keep in mind that past performance is not always indicative of future results, it's also worth noting that these patterns and trends have been relatively reliable in the past. So, What does this mean for you as a potential investor? It means that if ADA does break the $1 mark, it could be an excellent opportunity to get in on the ground floor of a rapidly rising asset. Breaking the $1 mark could be a pivotal moment for ADA, potentially leading to further price increases. And what about the speculations of a parabolic jump for ADA? Now this is where things get really interesting. Speculations are swirling around the crypto community that ADA, Cardano's native token, could potentially reach a new all-time high of $10. Now that's a serious leap from its current standing, but what could possibly drive such a dramatic surge? Firstly, there's Cardano's technology. As a third-generation blockchain platform, Cardano boasts superior scalability, security, and sustainability features compared to its predecessors. Its unique proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, known as Ouroboros, allows for greater transactional capacity and reduced energy consumption. These technological advancements could attract more users, driving demand for ADA and consequently its price. Then there are the ongoing developments within the Cardano ecosystem. The team behind Cardano is continuously working on upgrades and improvements. Each new development not only enhances the platform's functionality, but also generates buzz within the crypto community. This buzz, in turn, could drive more investment into ADA, pushing its price even higher. Lastly, there's the broader market sentiment. In a bull market, all boats can rise with the tide. If the crypto market overall sees a significant uptick, ADA could be swept along with it, contributing to its potential parabolic jump. But what would such a surge mean for ADA and its investors? Well, for starters, it would cement ADA's place as one of the leading cryptocurrencies in terms of market capitalization. It would also generate significant returns for those who had the foresight to invest early. But most importantly, it would be a validation of Cardano's vision and technology, a testament to the potential of third-generation blockchain platforms. If these speculations come to fruition, ADA could be on the verge of a monumental rally, rewriting its all-time high.